Mama.
My regards to Oluchi and your nanny. Tell them that Grandma will soon come to Lagos.
You know you're always welcome, Mama.
Grandma, you forgot to ask me about Tochukwu.
Ooh, I have forgotten. Boromu. Tell Tochukwu, my grandson, that he will be the next to come in the next holiday. I'm waiting for him.
Make sure you're ready to play his game with him.
Oh, I will be his television. Let him come and be playing the game on me.
Let me start going.
It's okay, Nne.
Ozzy, take good care of Mama, okay? Always go to the farm with her, so you learn how to farm and cultivate. Mama, take her to the farm with you, so she learn how to cultivate and do the farm work.
No
right?
problem.
Take good care of Mama, okay? I'll miss you. Mama,
no.
Let me go.
Oh, take good care of yourself. Oh.
Where are you coming from?
Church, no.
Hey! Chim.
I went to see my friend by the market.
And you left everything that I asked you to do in this house. Chisom, you are insulting yourself in this village. Yes. And I will be the one to garnish that insult. I will arrange it for you. Chisom, you went to meet that boy who came from Lagos, leaving his immediate family to this community doing nothing. That is the person you now throw yourself on. Akwaya? Chisom, your sisters left this house to their marital homes honorably without bastards. So you must be very careful.
Mama, you see, you like him. Oh. You like him. He's a very good person. It's just that you've not taken your time to sit down and talk with him one-on-one. Moreover, he left Lagos because his stepmother was treating him badly. Mama, please, just calm down. Moreover, I don't even have anything to do with it. We're just friends.
Mind the way you visit him. Mind the way you visit him. You have nothing to do with him. So stop visiting him. Take and continue with the soup.
Mama, I'm having running stomach. I found Sam.
You have what? Chisom, you have what?
Mama, I'm purging.
You are purging? Don't worry. Leave here now. Go. Go. Leave here. You are still standing.
No, Mama, I'm going inside now.
No fear. Hey! Before you use that your dirty hand to come and touch my vegetable, I will cook my soup myself. Nonsense. Yeah. Hey God. Jim, what is this? What are you doing?
Koso.
Koso?
Playing Koso.
You are playing Koso? Chisom, you are playing Koso, and I should go and cook for you to eat. Where? They are playing Koso? Where are you moving to? I have not started. You are throwing Koso, and you expect me to go and cook the food for you to eat. Where?
Mama, you need to calm down, eh? You just take it easy. The way you shout on me in this house is not good.
May I imagine I remove those things you caught it? May I imagine I remove those things you caught it from your mouth? Chisom!
Mama.
I'm shouting on you. I am shouting on you. I will remove those things in your mouth you caught it. You are trying koso. And the pot of soup. No soup. No food. Abu Mba. Wait for me. Let me dismantle you and show you how to play koso.
Guys. See, even if this is going to be our last operation in this community, we have to do it well. And we have to get it right.
Done deal. When I mean done deal, done deal. But I hope you guys have put some trust on me. I hope you trust me now. Because I have contacts. If I want missile here, I will call for it and I'll get it.
I beg. That's not what we're talking about. We're not preparing for war. What do we need missile or bomb for? We should be concentrating on how we can penetrate into that woman's house. I heard the old woman lives alone. She does her things alone, indoors. So we should be thinking of how we can enter into her house without her noticing.
How? Why are you talking?
You're asking me. Ebuka, you're not saying anything.
I'm listening.
Meaning what? I don't understand. You don't have any contribution to make. Are you not a man? My friend, say something.
Say something now.
Must I say something? If you guys pull out a good idea, we follow it. I need the money too.
Okay. I think I have to go there very early in the morning and monitor the woman. Once she comes out, I'll sneak into her house and hide somewhere till night comes. Then you guys can come. Or should we go there together and knock on her door?
That won't work. What if you go there and your grandson just land? Which will make your name so sorry if they catch you. We can't just go there like that. We need to go there and survey. And know if she's using old window, then we can remove it or destroy it. Or if it is ordinary louvers, then, especially the one that does not have protector, we remove it and we move in.
Do you know, in the past few years that I've known you, this is one time you made a wonderful point. You got a point there.
I don't make noise.
We don't make those points.
We don't make noise.
Let's not get too comfortable. Relax. You have a good idea. We'll follow yours. Good. But I'll tell you this. If your idea does not come to play, we'll have no choice than to go back to his own idea. Because all we want is success. Okay, but before then,
don't talk rubbish.
Before then, let's not be in a hurry. Let's rethink this. Let's strategize so we don't fail. Okay?
I hate repeating myself. We can't just go there like that. It's not possible. We need to plan it very well.
Yeah, we need to think. Let's think. Plan properly so we don't fail.
Okay, see. Let me tell you guys something.
Where's this guy now? Where's this guy? Oh, Jude.
Hurry now. Relax. In order for us not to make any mistake, we must wear masks for this operation.
But you're the one who said we should drop it.
Yeah, I know I said we shouldn't use masks. That's because I thought the old woman would not be able to recognize us. But what I saw now, I saw the old woman seated in front of her house, reading her Bible without her glasses. That means she might be able to recognize us. So why take the risk? Let's wear a mask.
Okay. In that case, Ebuka, please rush to the house and get our mask. Please, please, please.
No, I can't go back to that house alone. By the way, I don't even know where you kept it. Yeah? How can I go back to that house alone? It's late.
Look at this madman. Eh? Ipuagara. And we make it easy. I asked you to go and get something, you're challenging me. Ebuka, are you mad?
I can't go back to that house alone. I can't. It's late. You're telling me to go back to that house alone.
See, I am the leader of this group. And I initiated this. Hey, don't play with me.
No, see, relax, please. Relax. Ebuka, just go and get the mask. We need it. Hey, go and get the mask.
I only said I don't know where he kept it. Is it a crime? How do you expect me to go back to the house alone?
Are you still interested in this game? Are you?
My sister's daughter is at home. At least I need to buy some things for her as the big uncle. Yes, I need the money.
Then rush and go get the mask.
Let's go and get the mask. Quick now, before people notice what we want to do. Let's go and get the mask now. I mean, hold it, go and get the mask. Go. You like to complain about everything. Must you complain? See your leg. Sit down.
Hi! Oh my God. We have forgotten one more thing, and Ebuka has gone far.
What is it? Talk now, what is that?
Our pistol.
What is wrong with you? What is even wrong with you? So you want to go with everything to collect dollar from an old woman? No, not with the only pistol. You would have gone with an ammo tank. Yes, they were agreed for security reasons, fine. But this is an old woman. This is just an old woman. A woman that we can just go there, shout at. She will give us all the dollar, even a Bible. What do you need a pistol
Guy,
for?
we need it. We need it. We might meet another danger on our way, like Chris and Tega, and finish their lives once and for all.
No, listen.
That idiot has the guts to hit me.
I understand how you feel, but relax. One thing at a time. One thing at a time. We'll go get the dollar first, before we deal with those boys.
You know what? I have to rush home to go get that pistol.
No. Don't rush. Ebuka might be on his way, and you guys might miss each other. No need to go home. Let's wait for him. He'll be here soon.
God. We need this thing. We need
relax.
it.
It's just an old woman. Relax.
My God, Ozzy, what are you doing here? At this time of the night?
Nne, you are crying. Did anybody beat you?
Ozzy, did I beat you? Did Uche beat you?
Then why are you crying?
Oginizi?
Uncle Ebuka promised to buy me meat pie and biscuit, but he's not yet back.
Oh my goodness. Is that why you are crying? Mbano, don't worry, he will soon be back.
Grandma, but it's late.
I know. Don't worry. Even if he didn't buy the biscuit, I will buy it for you tomorrow. Oh? Echingotia.
What about the biscuit? I want Uncle Ebuka to come back.
Mama, I don't like this Ebuka's behavior. He knows Ozioma is very fond of him, yet he will go out and won't come back on time. They do everything together, even when it's food time. It's both of them.
Ozim. Ozi yege nwa. Nwa yori nwa ma kwa nwa. Nne. Oyoyo biara mma nnukwu holidays. Oya get up, oh. Ngwa binite. Eneneme jalo. Let's go inside so that you take your bath, oh? And wait for him now. Don't worry, he'll be back. You know? Ozim.
Jeez. We are men. We are fucking rich. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So we're successful. Hey, look, banker, come go share this money. Everything, the dollar. I won't go change my dollar.
I disagree. No way. You see that money? We allow that money to cool down. That money will be chill, will be chilling. Because very soon the rumors of this robbery will start flying around the community.
Oh God, listen. Point of correction. We did not rob. We only steal. Yes. So mind the way you baptize this our job.
Yes. We only took.
You understand?
We didn't rob.
Yes. We did not rob.
Your body don't.
Okay, listen. By the way, sir, let's know how much that is there before anything. Even if you want to live with the money with you.
Your body going to sweet you.
Yes, we need to know how much it is.
But bring the money, we go count down.
Yes, we need to know how much there.
Your body going to sweet you. They sweet you. As if you never see dollar before. You wanna calm down first. You wanna cool down.
Hey, we don't calm down, but we will calm down.
Wait, now bring that money out.
Go calm down first.
Which calm down?
But meanwhile, calm down.
Calm down where?
You never see dollar before.
Am I up? So tell him to calm down. You gotta bring that money out there. Let's share.
The wars have years, oh, calm down.
Tell him to calm down.
See.
Am I up?
See.
Go and bring that money. Let's share.
First, cool down. We must cool down.
Calm down.
If I make it, they make noise. I know the shame. You know the shame when you worry.
Eh? Should they talk to this guy now? I go find this guy now. Bring that money. Let's share now.
I
know how much is there. Make it big, boy. Not my share. I just want my share. What is it?
What's happened?
What is it, Chisom?
Babe.
The heart of men is wicked. People are wicked. Men are wicked.
What's happened?
What happened?
You people wouldn't believe what happened.
What happened?
Do you know some boys went to Mama's house yesterday? Collected the whole dollars Mama had with her. The remaining money she had.
That old woman?
That old woman. That old woman. The worst part is that these heartless human beings tied Mama. That's tied her hand and sealed her mouth.
Eh?
That is the
they tied her.
Tied her up. Very bad. It was her grandson that came this morning and raised the alarm. As I'm talking to you now, if you see the crowd in Mama's house, people are crying, people are shouting. Hey! Everybody is so angry. Why? I don't even know if that woman is still alive. Because the way they tied the woman, while she was trying to free herself.
Hey! This is not good now. This is not good. This world is just wicked. Men's hearts are wicked. I could be one some small boys will do this, you know.
Understand? All those village boys now.
That woman is godly. That woman they pay tithe. That woman they sow seed. Very godly.
Very
people
nice
get
woman.
mind. Get mind to go that old woman house. Go tie am. Tie. Keep on one young man, old woman.
Tied her. That's the most annoying part. Tied the woman.
Hey, such a good woman. Such a godly woman. Chisom, did you say you don't know if she'll survive it or not?
No, I don't know if that woman will survive it. She was still in shock when her grandson took her to the hospital. But you know why I am happy now?
Why?
You know why I am joyous? It's that the grandson already called the police. And the police said they will send their team into every nook and cranny in this village to fish out those heartless, useless, unwanted, bastardized idiots that went to rob Mama. All of them. They will catch all of them. And I'm so happy because me, I'm going to be among the people that will put tire in their head. With I'm telling you.
You said they call police.
So if you see the criminals now, you will tell the police immediately.
Of course, 1, 2, I will report them.
They are very wicked.
Please, I want to reach my home. I want to go and see.
Stay now, we're discussing something important.
You know they happen for this community. You know they hear
see my niece now. My friend.
Stay, let's discuss something important.
I beg, help me. Before you came in, I was about going to get a soap. Please help me buy soap.
Buy soap for him.
Okay, so what, Rob? But let me advise you. You people should be careful in this place. The way they are robbing now, is very, very dangerous. Before they will catch me on the road and rob me too. Let me put my own here. They rob me on the road too.
Hey, let them not rob you, carry you.
Police.
Ebuka, you know what thing will happen now, eh? I am going to give you that money to keep in your house because your house will be more safer. Okay?
Opanka, you know, now that the police is involved in this case, they fit stop me on my way. And so I advise you, you know you are my man. Yeah? And I trust you very well. Just find a place in your house and keep it.
It's okay. In that case,
Chude, you understand?
Okay, in that case, Chude, I'll give you the money to keep in your house.
No.
Why?
My house is far. By the time I'm taking the money to my house, police might hold me. You know what you do? See, just go to your backyard now since the money is here. Go and dig a hole and put the money inside there. Please be fast before she's on call. I don't want to go down.
Calm down. People just sent her away to go and buy soap. So we can arrange ourselves because
do that now. We don't have time. You say this whole thing is your fault. This whole thing is your fault. We agreed that we'll go there, we'll rob Mama, and we go away. I never knew you are this heartless. You're a very heartless human being.
Very wicked.
If they tell me you are this heartless, I will not believe it. You went there and you tied the poor woman. You tied them out. If that woman dies on you, innocent woman,
very wicked woman being.
Then be careful with me. Be careful with me.
Yeah, wicked. If that woman died,
I did that for the woman not to shout.
You are heartless.
You do understand? So I don't know why I will send somebody money to get me something and they are still wasting time. You have to call the man.
As soon as
they have to deliver the goods tomorrow.
Once I reach my house now, I'll call her.
Call. Sharp.
I need to make her happy.
Yes. Please call the man.
Yes. Make her happy. Make the call now.
Yes.
Make the call.
I need to make her happy. I need to make her happy.
Yes.
Go and make the call.
I should be going there.
Okay, I'm gonna go. If you buy everything now.
No, the change is for me now. Oh, gentleman.
You give my money.
I'm coming away your money.
You my money.
Now let me chop your money.
Okay, bring out the clothes. So, guy.
Okay.
So, that man,
as the man was doing nothing. Quickly go and get this money.
Jesus! Hey, you are springing up!
Jesus!
See the way you sprang up!
Mama, good night.
Jason!
Mama!
Jason!
Mama!
So this is all you want for yourself?
Mama, good night.
Hey, Machalo, keep quiet. I've not finished. Anytime I leave the house, you run to this place and open your legs.
Ah, Mama, I did not open my leg.
But this jobless idiot!
I did not open my leg, Mama.
This jobless man! Yes, open your leg for this idiot! This idiot! This jobless human being who left his immediate family and come to this community doing nothing. Chai, Chisom! Chisom! So you have sworn never to respect me, Chisom.
Mama, I used to respect you now. I respect you.
Keep quiet, I've not finished talking. You respect me. Help!
Yes, Mama.
Mama, first of all, I'm not an idiot. I'm a very responsible man.
Very responsible.
A very responsible man. I work. As you can see, my English is very pure. Okay? I'm very responsible. Mama, I do my business from this house. My goods come in, I send money, they bring my goods. Mama, please do not call me a jobless man because I am not. Okay? Mama, I love your daughter. I love her so much. So all I want you to do is to support her because very soon I'm coming to see your kingsman.
Shut up, shut up, shut up! Shut up your mouth! Keep quiet! Kingsmen kill you there! Kingsmen kill you there! Not only kingsmen, you will soon come and see kings women, queens men, queens women. Yes! The next time I see you with my daughter again, I will castrate you. Sebapo. Mama. Move now!
Mama, I will bring her home.
You will bring her home. Look, be very careful. Be very careful. Be very careful. The next time I come back here, and meet you with my daughter, I'll castrate you.
I don't even know if you castrated me to your mouth already. Damn.
This way. Come this way. I'm not seeing my back. This way. Be careful. I'm warning you for the last time. You know how people talk in this community. You know how bad they can squeeze their mouth when they want to talk. And somebody will come and see you sit on a man's lap. On a man's leg. Chisom. Yeah. Chey. Chisom. No. Chisom. All I ask you to do in this house, you left them. You left them. You did not even prepare food for your mother to eat when she comes back from the farm. But you went to that place and you spread your legs. What do you think people will say? You know how bad people in this community talk. Chisom, here. Your sister is a good girl. She will soon go to her husband's house. All you do is roam around this community, Dangote. You begin to distribute. Mama, yes, you distribute from one end to another.
Mama, I did not distribute anything. No. I just went there to send a message and
I warned you. Chisom, I warned you that I do not want to see you in that house. I don't want to see you in that family. Chisom, a man and a woman has nothing to do before marriage. Yes. The Bible said it. That your body is his temple. So keep it clean. I hope you will not bring shame to me in this community. Chisom, I hope you will not bring shame. Don't worry. You will know.
Mama, I'm not bringing any shame.
Just opening your mouth. I'm not finished. Just open your mouth. No fear. Nonsense. I don't blame you. I'm crowned. You are crowning on top of people's lap. Good. Mba, you will not. Keep on distributing. You distribute from one end to another. Dangote. Chief distributor. When you reach there, you open. You reach there, you open. Go ahead. Do it. Just some you will come back and meet me here. Don't worry. I'm waiting for you. You will come and meet me here. You have not done a man's lap to chair. Don't worry. You are sitting on two legs. You soon see the third one. And you know what the third one does to you. Continue. I'm coming for you, Chisom. You don't know me. Just wait. I'm not fear.
Is that the kind of life you chose to live? Is that the kind of...
Iche! What is it?
Iche!
What is it?
I was going to your house.
Why are you crying?
Hi!
Is someone dead?
Nobody is dead, Chi.
So?
Iche, Chisom. Chisom, I've started again.
What happened to Chisom?
Iche, Chisom wants to bring shame to this family. Chisom wants to bring shame to this family.
What happened?
Iche, Chisom has been selling herself around the whole community. Hey! Chisom! Mbano!
You know what happened? I'm going to the palace now. Don't worry, calm down. Go home. When I finish at the palace, I'll come to the house. And then I'll see what we can do about this.
Okay.
Let's go.
Hey!
Come. Don't worry. It's okay.
Chisom!
It's okay.
Chisom, disgrace me!
Calm down.
Okay, I'm coming down.
Take care of this.
I'm coming down.
It's okay.
I'm coming down. I am coming down. Okay, we will see.
Is that the kind of life you chose to live? Is that the kind...
Whoever it is that went into that old woman's house to steal her money, to collect things from her, that person will not go unpunished. That person will suffer. That person will not make heaven. That person must go to hellfire. I know some of these jobless, small boys in this village.
Babe, see, let's just forget about the issue of that woman, okay? My happiness now is that they didn't kill her. And let her grandson take her to America so she'll be taken care of.
That is the one that is paining me. Because if that woman goes now, you know all those motherless babies home that she used to go and visit, all those help she used to render, everything will be put on hold. It's not good now.
Yes, you're right. Babe, come on, let's go inside. I want us to discuss something.
Which one is go inside? What is it? What do you want to tell me inside that you cannot say here? Is anybody here?
I cannot tell you anything here. Your mother is already an issue. She might come. Okay? Let's go inside.
I'm not in the mood to go inside. I'm not. You see, this mama's issue is just bothering me. It's paining me. I don't know why somebody would do that kind of thing. It's so annoying. By the way, my mother went to report me to her brother that I used to come to your house every day. So me, I need to go home before she comes back. I just sneaked out of the house because she went to church.
Who are those people telling your mother this rubbish? Why can't people mind their business? Why can't people just face their own and mind their business?
So annoying.
What is this rubbish for now?
So annoying.
Babe, you know I love you so much. I don't want anything to come between us, okay? Or you want me to come and tell your mother my intention?
Which is?
To marry you.
If I say I will not marry you, uncle.
Doing? Doing?
Ayo!
I know you like it.
Stop now.
Babe, let's
Is that the kind of life you chose to live?
That's what you want to do,
Is that the kind of future you dream of? Have you thought what the end could be? Waiting, you don't know, big pass you. Be one, be one.
How are you, young, beautiful African girl?
I'm fine.
Yeah, good to see you. Do you know what? I saw your beauty from afar. And I must tell you, you're the next most beautiful girl in Africa.
Thanks for the compliment.
No. I'm just saying facts. I'm stating fact. My name is Uju Okoli. I'm an international business mogul based in Takwa Bay. Do you know where Takwa Bay is?
No, I don't.
Nah, I got you. I know you won't know where Takwa Bay is. Okay. By the time you start chilling with big boys like me, you know where Takwa Bay is. Takwa Bay is in Sierra Leone. Sierra Leone is in sub-Saharan Africa. Takwa Bay is the most beautiful city in the world. We are the kings of Takwa Bay. We are the ones that spend money on Takwa Bay. I'll take you to Takwa Bay. By the way, beautiful damsel, what is your name?
My name is Chinaza.
Chinaza. That's the most beautiful name I've heard in a long time. Chinaza, your name is as pretty as you are. So can I take you somewhere for lunch? So I could spend money on you. That's money.
No, I went on an errand for my father and he'll be waiting for me at home.
Really?
Yeah.
It's okay. It's good. So can I have your 11 digits?
My brother bought me a new phone, but I don't know the number yet.
Okay. So how do I get to see you again?
My house is just down the road. We can always meet there.
Down the road?
Yeah, yes.
Chinaza, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, let me give you some money for a charge card, okay? Yeah, you get this.
Don't worry, sir. Thank you.
This.
Thank you. Maybe next time.
Have it.
No, thank you.
Oh, such a good girl. Such a nice African princess. Walk it, baby, walk it. Shake it, baby. Yeah, that's what's up.
The kind of future you dream of. Have you thought what the end could be? Waiting, you don't know, big pass you.
Look at you. Your mother gives you a simple instruction
and you refuse to adhere to it. Are you mad? No, what's wrong with you? Okay, you want to bring shame, of course, upon yourself alone. Never. Yes, you can never bring shame on my sister or myself. Now, let me tell you something. Let this be the very last time you will step into that compound again. Don't ever step your feet into that compound again. Otherwise, you will have me to contend with.
Uncle, Ibabuchi is a very hard-working man. No? He works hard and he has his own business. It's just that my mother thinks otherwise. I don't have anything to do with him. We are just friends.
And your mother says I don't want that kind of friendship. Period. And you must obey her. Oh, but let me ask you. Are you aware that that boy is an ex-convict? Yes, he's an ex-prisoner. He went to prison.
Oh, I'm the one that told Mama. No, she's using it against me.
Yes, of course. Of course. Because I investigated and I found out so many things. I searched, I looked around, and I was convinced. That boy is not telling you the truth. That boy is not telling you the truth what happened to him wherever he came from. He's not telling you the truth why he went to the prison. He's just sweet-talking you. He's just sweet-talking you. Chisom, stop having anything to do with that boy. Henceforth, he should stop.
Yes. You must avoid certain characters. Characters such as that boy. Mind your own business. Mind your own business. And if you think you have grown so big, in fact, too large to listen to anybody, then try me. Just try me. Then I'll see.
Iche, you see girls in this community, they cook for their mothers. Okay. They go to farm with their mothers. This one, Chisom, follow me to the farm. Bah! Hey! She will never.
Mama, why are you lying?
Eh? What did you say? I'm doing what?
Mama, I used to follow you to the farm sometimes now. When I want to go to the farm, I follow you now.
I go to the farm with you. In the morning, I get to sign with you. Don't worry. Let me just advise you. Better use your tongue to count your teeth. Oh, better say. Use your teeth to count your tongue.
Let her use any of them. She can use the tongue or the teeth or the anything. Let her use it. Okay. Chisom, continue. You have me to contend with. But I'm warning you, Chisom, you will not bring shame to me in this house. In fact, you can't try it. You will not. You will not. I will remove the spirit of shame. I will remove the spirit of anyhow. I will remove the spirit of distribution from you. I've told you. Now, leave my person. Don't be looking at me.
Mama, It's okay. No, don't worry. We'll come to
Iche, this guy will not put me to shame.
Don't worry.
Chisom will not put me to shame, never.
Don't worry.
I'm equal to the task.
Baby, how are you? Why is your face like this now? What happened? Are you angry with me?
Don't talk to me. Leave me alone.
Okay, I'm sorry. I went to see my friend, so I didn't come back on time, okay? I'm very sorry. I'm sorry, my love. Okay?
I was waiting for you yesterday till midnight. Both Mama and Auntie Uche. Now Mama has gone back to Lagos and we're here to say bye-bye to her.
Oh, I'm so sorry, my love. I'm sorry. Like I said, I went to see my friend. I didn't come back on time, okay? I'm sorry. Have you forgiven me? I'm so sorry, okay? I'm sorry. Have you forgiven me? Eh? Are you sure? Yeah, smile for me now. Smile for Ebuka. Smile. Eh? Smile for me. Eh? Where is Mama and Auntie Uche?
Mama is sleeping and Auntie Uche is taking her bath.
Oh, okay. Okay, come, let's go inside, eh? Hmm? Come. What do you want me to buy for you?
Ice cream.
And what?
Meat pie.
Okay.
And biscuits.
And biscuit? Is that all? You don't want chin chin? You don't want chicken? You want chicken? Okay, don't worry, I'll buy everything for you, okay? Okay? Are you happy now? Yeah, smile for me. Smile for me now. I'm not seeing your teeth, to smile. I want to see your teeth. I want to see your teeth now. Eh? Let me see your teeth. Come, let's go inside, okay? Baby doll.
I won't be saying it again. If you like, keep all the boys in this village, both responsible and irresponsible ones, as your friend. Isi Koteb, Obabia. Every responsible person comes home at dawn. But look at you. From morning to morning. That's your movement. You see, K.O.?
Ebuka, Sister Choma won't give you another money if you continue like this. Let us see some changes in you. You will keep us awake. Nobody knows where you went to. We don't even know if you are fine or not. Look at Ozioma. She was crying last night, waiting for you outside. At least for her sake. Well, I think...
Uche is your younger sister. Are you not the one that is supposed to advise her? Oh yeah. Every day from one talk to another. You are not ashamed of yourself. If you're not there, Maggie. Huh?
Uncle, do you hear what Mama and Uju said? Uncle, where's my ice cream?
Don't worry, I'll buy it for you when I'm done resting, okay? It's a promise. Are you okay?
Nah, those robbers are wicked. They are wicked. Like, how would they treat an old woman in such a way? A wickedness now. Ha.
I'm really suspecting those same fools again. Galan, I want on the other.
No. Those boys are just normal village pickpockets boys now.
How now?
Are you not hearing the news? They say these people are with long guns, long sophisticated guns. Like they took about $5,000 and some naira notes from this woman. As in, it's pure wickedness.
No. If this is the way it happened, that means those fools have nothing to do with it.
Yes,
AK-47, long guns.
Long guns, all these village boys now, they won't use that one.
But wait. These people that took this money, how did they know that the woman was with such amount of money?
Una. Now they talk this one. I know in this village, woman that her daughter is a big nurse in America. Woman that give orphanage money, that give churches, like she donates. She donates every. Una, I swear. I see now me see that money. See, I for bagger come up for this village.
That is why you're not the one that she. So that you not bagger and come out. Keep dreaming. See, let me tell you, you will not see dollars in your life. Just accept it now.
As you take black, now so your drink take black, now so your heart's black. See what everything
everything.
I will leave you in this village and run.
Hey, you run.
I'm a pure person. That's why I'm taking.
You run to your mother's village now. You leave your father's village and go to your mother's.
You like the biscuit, right? Do you need any other thing again? You don't want bobo? Ice cream?
Oh, I wonder why old Zama will always be worried whenever you are not home. Please bring her down.
For what? Is she on your back? What's your business?
Yes, Auntie, am I your back?
Oh, tell her.
Okay, both of you are now against me.
Oh, yes.
So bad, Dero. Another biscuit.
Oh, yes.
I'm your sister too. It's not only Ozuma that will be eating everything. I'm coming, let me get some recharge card.
Don't touch my baby. Are you mad? Yeah? Jema, don't mind her, okay? I love you.
Obanka, I think we should go to Onitsha and change the dollar. I heard that's where big boys go to change their money.
That Onitsha time, I don't just like that Onitsha at all. You understand? In every junction in Onitsha, you must see 10 to 20 policemen searching and disturbing people. They might search us and see the money and we get into problem.
That's true, but what do we do?
I have someone who works in the bank. We can give the person the money, so he change it for us and bring it.
You?
Yes.
Obanka?
Yes.
You have someone in the bank? I beg, stop. Stop! You don't whine me?
I don't understand.
See, look, you can be forming for others, don't form for me. What is wrong with you? You, from this village, you know someone that works in the bank, you don't know anybody.
Your contact and my contact.
I beg. Please, we have to be careful with that money. We have to be careful. Stop posing.
Okay, what do we do now? Tell me now, what do we do?
I suggest we go to Onitsha and meet those people that change money. We'll discuss with them, they will know what to do next.
What if those people ask us where we get the money from? Because the owner of that money might have gone to lay some complaints around.
Nah, this guy. At times, if Ebuka, they enter you, they be like say Ebuka just they enter you for nothing. I thought you say you came from Lagos. You're acting like a Jew man.
I don't understand.
You're just a Jew man. I thought you be claiming Lagos boy.
Of course I am.
What is wrong with you? Look, let me tell you something. Those people that change money do not have time to ask questions. All they want is bring dollar, they give you naira and you go your way. They don't ask questions. Jew man.
Okay, I think you have a point anyway. So?
Let's go. We just need to dress well. So they won't suspect us. We'll just dress well and we'll go there. Let's go, I beg.
Okay, what of Ebuka? Is he going with us?
No. All of us cannot go now. All of us must not go. Provided we go there, we'll change the money, we'll come back and we'll give Ebuka his share.
Okay.
Let's just dress well and go. Let's go. So we'll dress and go. Time.
Have you thought what the end could be? Waiting, you don't know, big pass you. We want.
Hey man, what's up, man? How you doing?
Hey, Ebuka.
I was on my way to your house.
For you?
Yes.
Now change English, please. Change your English. I said for you.
Boy, not too shut up.
Anyway, we want to rush.
Listen, I don't understand. Why are you guys dressed like this? Is there any party going on now?
Not really. The dressing shock you? Yeah. Anyway, we want to rush down to Onitsha to see how we're going to change that money, okay? Because our radio in Nigeria is beginning to say that the police is on investigation. She might cast us, okay? So we want to rush down and change the money immediately before the whole thing casts.
Yeah.
Obanka, wait. Change which money?
Speak good English, please.
No, yes. Our money or your money?
Come on now.
That's how we
No, speak English.
How can both of you plan to change our own money without my permission?
Ebuka, as your sister's daughter left.
Meaning?
I only ask you a question. We're not fighting. Relax, man.
See, Ebuka, all of us no go carry ourselves, go on, go change money, okay? We have to go, then come back, tell you what's up.
That's all.
You understand? We don't just go on, all of us go there. We feel cast ourselves now. Hey!
But
you have to rush to the house now. I left my gun carelessly on the bed. Please, you have to rush and go and take that gun and hide it for me before Chisom comes.
But why now? Why?
It's like you're mad. You're telling me to rush to your house and I don't understand. You know she talks too much, yet you keep loving her and keep eating her food. I will advise you to tell that girl to stop coming to your house for now until we are done changing that money. Because I don't want story. If anything happens to that money, Opanka, you won't like me.
I support him with this one. I support him.
It's okay, but please, you have to rush now, okay? before she comes and sees that gun and cast us. I beg, just go home. Leave that talk first. It's okay. I know what I'm talking about. It's okay, just rush down to the house. Nah, man, let's roll. Let's roll. I'll see you later, man.
Listen. That's what's up.
Listen, Apanka, if anything happens to that our money, why do you feel me, Nene?
Ebuka, be careful with me.
If anything happens to that our money, why do you feel me, Nene?
Go check that gun, please.
You want to change our money without my...
Go and check that gun, my man.
You want to change our money without my permission? I know what to do.
Ebuka, damn.
Don't worry, I know what to do.
Nigga, shut up and rush down to the house.
Be one, be one, be one, be one. So you don't regret at last. Better be wise, oh. Be one. Think twice.
Ebuka, good morning.
Wait, so you even know my name?
Are you not Uchechi's brother?
Of course Uchechi is my younger sister.
We went to the same school when your mom was still selling Meleliko.
That was before. But you don't behave as if you know me each time you meet here.
Ebuka, that is not true now. Whenever I come here, I see you, I greet you.
Hey. It's fine, no problem. So how are you?
I'm doing good. I'm fine. And you?
I'm okay. So how about the old woman? Has she gone to America?
Oh, Mama. Mama has gone to America. I beg, let her just go there so that she can rest and they will treat her well. It seems Opanka is not around.
Yeah, he's not around. He went to see someone.
Oh.
Yes.
Ngwano, but let me ask, why do you people like calling him Opanka? What sort of name is that?
Asele.
I just asked a simple question.
Asele. Is he not your boyfriend? You should have asked him this question.
Do you know how many times I've asked him this same question? Whenever I do, he'll just tell me to forget about it. Because I'll keep wondering where he got that kind of name from. I see you don't want to talk. Anyway, when he comes back, tell him I came around.
Okay. No problem.
Your sister.
No problem.
Ngwano, don't say that I don't greet you. I greet you every time I come here.
No problem. Noted, Bye.
Bye.
Be one, be one, be one. So you don't regret at last.
Change the money. Don't worry, now you'll be happy. You'll be happy, yeah, that's the bag. Yeah.
Wait. What I came with?
Relax. Take it easy, observe.
We are fucking rich.
We are rich.
We are rich. Hello?
Do shout.
Wait, guy, wait now. Wait, don't see where we're going to. You understand?
Why? Oh, I am happy.
I am rich.
Okay.
I am rich.
See.
I am rich.
See, now we're done sharing this money. We're not going to be stupid. Or rather, I don't want us to be stupid the way we are going to spend this money.
Okay.
To avoid anybody suspecting us.
Right.
Please.
You're right. I agree with you.
Yeah.
Hi. This is the kind of job I love doing. I love this job. You see this deal here? It's the best deal ever. These are the kind of deals I want. We're rich.
We're rich.
We must say thank you to Chisom for such a wonderful information.
No. We give her something for the information, you know?
No.
Banka, why
She's your girlfriend. You are the one to give her. You give her from your share.
Her money is your money. Send to her from your pocket.
Yes,
This man.
Send to her from your pocket, Joe.
Hey, Uga. Today, we shall drink and smoke and enjoy ourselves. We have to celebrate. We'll celebrate today.
Come for celebration.
Smooth job. Smooth job.
Oh, yeah.
Now that everything is done, we are going to meet that woman that I've been telling you guys about.
Okay.
So she'll go ahead and initiate us in the red candle shrine. In case any idiot wants to try us, we'll be able to face that person severely.
Oh, like 45 hours.
Exactly.
Okay, that's cool. That's cool.
You understand?
You're making sense.
You're making sense.
My boy, you're making sense. We married!
See. This is more money now. This is more money we just enter your pocket now. You don't begin to shout. Eh? You the fuck up. You know this guy the fuck up. Small money we just enter your pocket.
Don't tell me that.
Don't
Tell me that. Now you fuck up pass. Because when they go change this money, now they road they cry. Now they road they cry. Oh.
True.
So we don't carry you go there.
Now you
so who the fuck up pass? Now you.
Well, you know now. How can you change the money without me?
Well, you're enjoying the money now.
How can you change the money without me?
Now you don't get your share.
My man.
You see Momo from my forehead. Eh? He just bought a goods that came in hours ago. Now it's sold out. And you people don't have money to buy this crate of beer. How manage?
Are you saying I'm lying or what?
It's not like I'm saying that you're lying, but come on. It's unbelievable now. I didn't even hear of the goods coming in. Not to selling out already. Not to talk of selling out already.
What are you saying? Eh? You're sounding like someone that is living in olden days. Nowadays, goods are sold online. You can sell anything sharp. I sold all my goods online. And
you sold out everything.
Made so much money.
Alright. The only reason I'm asking is because just earlier this afternoon at Okoronko shop, I heard Chris, Owodei, and Tega talking about 3 of you, affiliating you to all the robberies that has been happening in this village.
Huh?
Yeah.
Us?
Sir, that they even chased the 3 of you at the market some days ago. You know the one that even got me was when they said you people are connected to Mama's robbery.
Can you imagine?
No, please.
Just imagine. Enemy of progress.